Hello everyone, this is Nitish and today I will teach you chapter 11 of Economic Survey 2022 and 23. Today is episode number 11 and chapter External Sector. This will be helpful for this year UPSC exam, but before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. First, we will discuss the introduction of this chapter. The global shocks and uncertainties has affected India's external sector in the following manner. The number one is global commodity prices. Number two is tightening international financial condition. Number third is heightening global growth, and the last one is trade slowdown. Measures like national logistic policy and free trade agreement would address the external frictions by creating opportunities for export. Export play an important role in developing resilience against external shocks. In the context of CAD, that is current account deficit, the easing of crude oil prices, the resilience of the net service export, and the beyond inward remittances would result in lower CAD. The IMF has forecasted that the global growth will slow from 6% in 2021 to 3.2% in 2022. Next topic is globalized world. India achieved an all-time high annual merchandise export of USD 422 billion in financial year 22. However, the global economy has started facing formidable headwinds, and the ripple effect of the global trade slowdown has started reflecting in India's merchandise export growth, wherein moderation in pace is observed in 2022. Energy demand may be pushing India's imports for fuel, including coal and petroleum, oil and lubricant, whose share rose to 37.1% in total imports in April-December 2022 against 30.4% in corresponding period last year. The USA remained India's top export destination in April-November 2022, followed by UAE and Netherlands. India maintained its dominance in world service trade in financial year 22. Service imports rose by 25.1% between financial year 22 and financial year 21 to reach USD 147 billion. Continuing with the same topic, RBI issued a circular permitting an additional arrangement for invoicing, payment and settlement of export-import in Indian rupees to promote the growth of global trade with emphasis on exports from India and to support the increasing interest in global trading community in Indian rupee as an international currency. Now, let's look at this bar graph, which is representing 10 top remittances recipient of world during 2022. So here you have to look at the country which is at the top position, which is India, and country which is at the 10th position, that is Vietnam. Now, move on to the next slide. The exchange rate of Indian rupee is market determined, as the RBI intervention in the foreign exchange market is mainly to contain stances of excessive volatility. India has witnessed a fall in its international liability to US dollar 1.23.1 billion. This fall was attributed primarily due to direct investment outflows and change in the exchange rate of the rupees, whereas India's overseas financial assets were lower by 7.9%, mainly due to the reduction in reserves asset, even as trade credit and overseas investment recorded an increase. Now move on to the last slide, which is outlook. The export outlook may remain flat in the coming years if the global growth does not pick up in 2023, as indicated by many forecasts. In such cases, product basket and the destination diversification which India is taking through free trade agreements would be useful to enhance trade opportunity. Given the benefits of the lower average age of the working population, along with the advantage of economies of scale, India has the potential to cater to the global demand for several products in the cost-effective manner. On the import side, notwithstanding uncertainty surrounding the outlook on a global crude oil prices, the recent softening in its prices augurs well for the India's imports. India's exports of service remain robust and India has cemented a stronger position as a top remittance receiver. A large surplus under services and remittances would cushion the widening trade deficit. India's external sector has fared relatively better and hence positioned relatively stronger to face the evolving adverse global scenario as evident by the Indian rupee outperforming most EME currencies, comfortable import cover and moderate CAT. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. So please like and comment on videos, subscribe this channel. Thank you.